happen the way we plan it. So things like that, those questions, and then some magic tricks. So the children would get interested. Then my use of Hindi bhasha in the show, which a lot of mothers have written in, saying that because of the show, the children have started using Hindi words, because nowadays they speak English, which is not a language really officially. So, and Hindi is our language. So I think the kids should have at least know the basic of Hindi, and they're enjoying it. Plus, I leave a message sometimes at the end of the show, which is sometimes it's an emotional message, sometimes it's a social message, sometimes it's a cautionary message, sometimes it's a warning. So, apart from these educationary steps, so to say, everything else is just entertainment.
So, what will be the reason for the superstition? Thought of in our country, the thought is more as far as superstition is concerned as compared to other countries. What will be the main reason behind it? Literacy. Can you just mention the reason for why are people so superstitious?
No, you are asking me to sit here and analyze and comment on a civilization which is thousands of years old.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Thanks.
Introduce us to your assistant.
Okay, that's Prerna, and she will be playing Sunaina, and that's Shraman,
Yes.
and he will be playing Shraman.
Summer.
You are playing Summer.
Yeah,
We shall change it. We shall call you Shraman only. I like your name.
Thank you.
I come from a very highly educated family, and my grandfather and my forefathers, they all belong to the field of law, and they've been civil servants all their life, and I'm following their route, and I'm very to the point, very focused about solving the cases that I'm going to be assisting KD in, and I only believe in following legal ways, unlike Samar. So far, and I always look up to KD, and so I really look forward to working with him, and I always look at taking his ways and guiding me in solving cases. So that's my character, Sunaina.
My character is as simple as my clothes are. You can see that he's a chapri. He's a cool person. Basic word I can say jugadu. He's jugadu. And I'm from Agra. We're born and brought up with a word called jugad. When you don't find a way, you use jugad. So that is what the brief I was being given, that you do everything, whatever you want to do, but वो जुगाड़ से चाबी नहीं है तो सुई निकाल के ताला खुला. So
that's why he is wearing two shirts.
Exactly.
कहीं एक बरसात में गीला हो गया तो दूसरा काम होगा.
तो वही है. So my character is very. I hope people like it. I've been doing various characters full of life, but this is somewhere after ages I'll be playing a man. Hopefully, I've been playing a teenage kid, boy, Bhiya, as Prachi and a lot of other characters. But yes, finally I'll be playing a man, a grown-up man who would be investigating, finding, solving. No, not solving. That's his job. I'll be finding ways and finding.
No, solving also. Why not solve?
Exactly.
So I think it's a team that is going
It's a
to
team,
solve.
exactly.
Yes.
So very very excited. बहुत excited.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हाँ वो
मेरे फोन दे दो.
Supernatural series and what kind of role you are playing in the series?
It is not a supernatural series. Adalat is very much the same. It is a courtroom drama, but it's a special month, so to say, of supernatural plots within a courtroom. It is not about ghosts, it is about the myth that is there in people's minds and how people use all these stories to fool other people for money or for land or for whatever. So it is like, can be called the expose of supernatural elements. How do you spell your name?
Sharma. S-H-S-R-M-A. Sharma. I mean, it's something. It's very new for me to start saying because I've still not started shooting. But hopefully, I'm really excited to work with him. My mom was when I told her I'm doing Adalat, she was not happy that I'm doing Adalat. She was like, "अरे अच्छा तू रौनक जी के साथ काम करने वाला है?" मैंने कहा, "Yeah." Like, okay, that's it. So yeah. So I'm really very excited. तो दिख ही रहा है मेरे चेहरे से. So let's see. Hopefully, we'll be starting working very soon.
And what about you?
I was watching this show called Dexter, which is about it's like a detective series, and it so happened that I got a chance to play a character which is a detective's character. So I'm really excited about this because till now the kind of characters I've played, they've been very different from this, and I've already worked with Ronita in my first show. So we have a great chemistry and bonding going. So I'm really looking forward to take that ahead in this show as well.
Arun said it's a real concept or it's inspired by some other series. Is it inspired by some series?
What is a real concept?
Real concept means
Is it
related
inspired by some real incidents that you want
The supernatural, no, like I have said before, Adalat, when it started, I was very categoric about the fact that we didn't want to make a show that is educating people in the aspects of law. I was very categoric that I wanted to make a show that is entertaining. So this supernatural month is also about entertaining more than any kind of real stories, or there's nothing serious about it. It's a fun show and we are having fun with it.
While playing the character, I mean, have you just increased the knowledge of legal knowledge as such?
No, maybe not legal knowledge, but yes, my logical powers of reasoning have definitely increased.
So, what can be the term as the main USP of this series? Means, what is the main USP of this Netflix series? What
The
can
main, the USP of this series is entertainment.
just entertainment or something educative to the audience also?
I think you've never watched the show.
I have watched, I mean, not regular, but I have watched.
In the show, there are times where I ask questions which are about lateral thinking.
Yeah.
Now, the lateral thinking questions were introduced into the show by me just to make the kids, to start thinking laterally, because life is all about lateral thinking.